It's well with our soul when the Lord is in us. Sabi nila, payapa ang buhay pag ang Panginoon naghahari sa atin. And for our souls to be well in the Lord, we have to have the courage to change what should be changed. And we should have the serenity to accept what cannot be changed. And according to one quote, the wisdom to know the difference. Dapat alam natin kung merong dapat na baguhin, kung merong dapat na lang tanggapin, at malaman natin kung alin yung alin sa dalawa na yon. Dahil sa kasalanan na rin ng tao, maraming tuwid ang nabaluktot, maraming liwanag ang dumilim, maraming bigat at hirap tayong daladala, at kailangan lang matuto tayo kung paano paparamihin ang saya at papakonti ng lungkot sa buhay. To minimize pain, frustration, disappointment, even disillusionment, to minimize disorientation, inconvenience, there are some facts of life that should be accepted, even appreciated. Parang biyanan o manugang, hindi na pwedeng palitan, kaya dapat na lang tanggapin. At hindi lang pagtiyagaan, dapat tutunan na enjoyin. One fact of life is that people change. Nagbabago ang tao. Yung pinakasalan mo 30 years ago, iba na siya ngayon. Yung minahal mo 5 years ago, magbabago yan. 2 Corinthians 3:18, the Lord's Spirit makes us more and more like our glorious Lord. This is a positive spiritual growth because people's spirituality changes. 1 Corinthians 13:11, when we were children, we thought and reasoned as children do, but when we grew up, we quit our childish ways. Sometimes the change is negative, retrogressive, and unwelcome. Hindi lahat ng pagbabago ay pag-asenso. May pagbabagong pag-atras. But one truth remains, people's mentality changes. What else changes with mentality? Perspective, point of view, thoughts, values, tastes, our likes and dislikes. Emotions change, feelings change. So does affection and love. Hence the great leap of faith in marriage. Kaya hindi biro ang pagpapakasal. Sabi ng matatanda, ang pag-asawa na hindi parang kaning isusubo, iluluwa akong mapaso. That's why there's a great leap of faith in making vows, even in signing contracts. Kaya na-invento ang mga kontrata. Why were contracts developed and invented? Because people change. Ecclesiastes 5:6, don't let your mouth or your vow get you in trouble. And the Bible admonishes us not to be guarantors